Can I be held responsible when the wind calls out my name and I chase it through the reaches of my mind? Over hills and mountains, cross rivers deep and wide, I'll flip every stone that I find.
Hey guys, TLC and LadyScorpion, and we are super excited. We finally reached our first milestone, 50 subscribers. We'd like to thank everyone who's subscribed and everyone who's watching our videos. We hope you're having as much fun as we are. With the reaching of our first goal of 50 subscribers, we're finally getting to release our FT-zers. FT-zers. Finding Treasures Brain Teasers. And we hope you win the first one. It's going to be a full armchair treasure hunt. And we have a $50 prize for you guys. Your choice of an Amazon gift card, Google gift card, or a Walmart gift card. First one to email us the correct solution after we read you a poem is going to be the big winner and get announced on our channel. There's a couple rules and regulations we're going to go over, but as soon as we get to that, we're going to read you a poem and we're going to be ready for you guys to start solving our first FT-zer. Can't wait to hear what you guys have. So the legalese, sorry to our international viewers, but for this one, we're 18 years and older and a U.S. citizen to win the prize. You're going to have a valid email address so that we can email you the prize. And then we also have a couple of rules on it. We are looking for, are we telling them right now what we're looking for? Okay, so excited about all this. All right, so we're looking for 8 words is your answer. It's 2 4-word sentences. So 2 4-word sentences, and we want that emailed to our address, our email address. And you can find that in the channel description. And so you're going to email us the answer, and like we said, it's 2 4-word sentences. Void where prohibited. So if anyone has rules or restrictions on where they live that they can't participate in this, it is not a sweepstake. This is actual. We're looking for the right answer for our armchair treasure hunt, and we can't wait to start getting responses. Okay, so you're going to submit 2 4-word sentences to us, and then that's going to be in the email. And in the correct video, we want you to write, "I solved it." Don't hesitate to keep sending an email. Even if somebody says they solved it, they might not have solved it correctly. Please don't put in the description what the solve is so that anyone else who wants to solve it still has that opportunity. But yes, the first person we get to send us an email that says the correct 2 sentences, 4 words each, is going to be the big winner. So we can't wait. And without further ado, is there a scroll or something we can open?
I think there might be.
Oh, I like scrolls. Scrolls are fun. So we are going to read this to you guys, if I can get it open. Hey, I think I got it. Yay. Oh. If you can read faster than I can talk, you might have just gotten in your first clue there. Ready for this? All right. In one of these that has gone before, a statement was given and a question was bore. As of this time, no answer has come, so now's your chance. Will you be the one? A simple cipher was laid out bare for all to see, unhidden and fair. Now crack the code if you are wise, and you'll be the one to win the prize. So, let's go. Live armchair treasure hunt. All you need to do is solve the poem and find the code and email us and let us know how it goes.
And write solved.
And write solved in the correct video's comment section. That would be great.
And we'll put solved in there.
Oh yes, we will put solved on the thumbnail of this video once it's been solved and we have a winner to issue the prize to. Can't wait. All right, let us know how it goes, and if you have thoughts or questions in the comment sections of this video, we will be answering a hint on Wednesday. If we don't have a solve by Wednesday, we will
give another hint.
Give another hint at that time. So if you're pondering when to start right now. Have a good one. Bye.
To me like a mother to her child at supper time. It blooms from every tree in early spring. Can I be held responsible when the wind calls out my name? I don't write the song that nature sings.